Hey Jeffrey, your phone case is here. What are you doing?
Nothing. I'm just looking at a package I got. What do you say you got from me?
Never mind that, bro, but I got your phone case. Is that a keyboard and mouse you ordered? Hey, let me see that real quick.
Yeah, it is a keyboard and mouse. I just ordered it so I can get better at games. You want to see it?
Yeah, bro, let me see that real quick. That junk look nice. I can have this?
No, you can't have it. It's mine. I gotta get good at Fortnite. Man, Alright, man, you can keep it. You can keep it.
Yeah, you better let me keep it. Yeah. Jeffrey has got his stuff stolen, but let's review this package. Well, as you see, guys, that I actually, I got the order that he got. So we're gonna be opening it. I've, opened a little bit. So let's open this and let's get. It's my first ever gaming, anything gaming, like a gaming. Oh, this is nice. This is my first ever gaming or mechanical keyboard. I've always had membrane keyboards. Oh, this is. Let's put this right here. I've always had membrane keyboards, so this is like a nice thing I've always wanted. Oh, it's nice. I don't know. I've seen reviews on Amazon about this. They all say like it's nice. It's heavy. Like the ones I used to have, they're always light. This is heavy. Like this is like the real deal. This is the real deal, y'all. I'll put like the link to this. I got this for like, it's an early Christmas present. Oh. You hear that? That is nice. This is nice. Wow. Well, there's an expression in the box. I know. Don't know what this is. Oh, it has RGB. Oh, I knew it had RGB, but I didn't know like what type of RGB it had. I mean, I know it's like blue. Oh, this is nice. I'm gonna check this out later. Well, this is the keyboard, y'all. This is the keyboard. As y'all can see, it sounds beautiful. I know I have, where did I put this? Okay, there it is. Keycap puller. I have red switches on it, so I did research, and I knew red switches are the best for like gaming purposes. So I just got these because they're probably the best, because that's what I heard they're best for gaming. Did I put that on right? No. That's the best for gaming. So, and there's an upcoming video. Well, let's put this to the side. And let's put it back in the box actually. Really quick. No, let's put it to the side. Move the box to the side. Move this up. And let me show you what else I got. I got a Razer mouse. This is my first ever Razer mouse. It's my tool to open this. It's my first ever Razer mouse. I've never had anything Razer before. So it's like my first Razer product in general. I am pretty happy that I got this. Shout out to my mom. She got it for me or helped me get it. So shout out to her. Well, shout out to her. She's got this for me as an early Christmas present. She asked me what I wanted for Christmas. I was like, oh, I'll put it on the Amazon cart. She was like, all right. And out of nowhere, I coming home from school. Boom! I see the truck coming up. Oh my god, I'm messing up the camera because I'm just excited. I see the truck. Why won't it open? How do you open this? I see the truck pull up. I'm like, oh! And I'm like, oh, for me? And he's like, yep. Yo, how do you open this? How do you open it? Might be a barbarian to open it. Sorry. Gotta figure out where to open it. Oh, now I want to open it. But yeah, like I said, this is my first ever Razer mouse. Put this to the side. Oh, this is a nice box. Look at that. You guys see that? cool, man. Oh, this is my first ever. So the reason you probably asking, why'd you go for an all white? Why'd you go for an all white? Like white, all like that. I went all these with a sticker, put them on PlayStation. That's nice. You're probably asking, why'd you get all white? Oh my god, it feels so nice. Okay, so let me just tell you, I had mouses, but I've never had a Razer mouse. I've always had like these cheap mouses from like, from like stores. But this is top of the line. Now you're probably asking, why are you having a white if your mouse pad is black? I actually want to go for a white and black setup, so I don't know, but I want to get at least something white because I put on controller as y'all saw, but I want to switch to keyboard and mouse. So this is the reason why I got this. So let's plug this up really quick, and let me just try to plug this up, and I'm gonna show y'all how it looks. All right, let's plug this in and let's see how it is. Oh wow, let's turn off the light. Oh wow. Okay, one second, let me turn off the other light so you can see how the RGB is. Wow, this is nice. Now I know you can change it. I don't know. Oh, that's like OF breathing solid. Oh, this is nice, guys. This is nice. Okay, that turns it off. That is. Oh my god. I gotta check out. Oh wait, I gotta check out which one I like the best. Wait. Solid. Let's just go through them one more time. Oh, yep. This right here, I might keep this one. I like this. But I also like this one too. Give me 1 second, y'all. But yeah, this right here, this is top notch. Now let's turn the lights back on. Now let's plug in the mouse. This is unbelievable. To be honest, I actually do. Oh look, it got green on it. See, I never really knew. I want to find out if I were to go on a PC and put DP. Oh wow! Let me turn off the light real quick. Look at that! Look at that, y'all! Wow. Well, as you can see, this is a very, very nice setup I had. I'm going to try to post more. Most definitely, there's going to be another future video in probably a week. Maybe most definitely a week. That's when it's going to come out, in a week. Stay tuned, y'all. This is just an unboxing. There will be gameplay after this snap.
I have no clue why I said this is gonna be gameplay, but that's the end of the video. Bye.